safety, that's what it's all about today, and we're here at the Dubai Rugby 7 Stadium doing an activation with Dialer Battery and Corporate Sports, teaching kids about the key aspects of road safety. Now I'll show you what we've been doing. So you'll see here we've got a bus. Now we've been playing a little game where I'm the bus driver, they're the passengers, and we've got to look out for different areas of road safety, and I'm asking them questions and so forth, and then everybody gets a medal, everybody gets a goodie bag with prizes in it, and they've all been super happy.